Hello friends, welcome to iExamP. Today in this video we are going to discuss about a new recruitment for law graduates. This recruitment is announced by Coal India Limited. There are about 54 vacancies. The recruitment is for management trainee in the legal department and no experience is required, so fresh graduates can also apply for this post. And there are two additional advantages in this exam. The first one is there is no negative marking in this exam, and the second one is no interview is there. Only CBT computer based test is there, which will have two papers, and there will be no interview. Based on whatever marks you get in the test, you will be selected for management trainee legal post. So let's go through the notification once. Coal India Limited has announced recruitment of management trainee through computer-based test. The important dates for this application is 8th of July, from which the application will start, and it will end on 7th of August. Looking at the eligibility criteria for the legal management trainees, you need to be graduate in law of 3 years or 5 years duration from a recognized university or institute with minimum of 60% marks. Few more points to be kept in mind. The minimum qualifying marks for general, OBC, economic weaker section category candidates is 60%, while for SC/ST and persons with disability candidates, a relaxation given in the minimum qualifying marks, and for them the minimum qualifying marks are 55%. Also, final year candidates can apply. Candidates who have completed their degree of minimum qualification or appearing in final year semester or trimester and will pass out in the academic year 2021-22 are eligible to apply. Final year candidates can apply, but there has been a condition mentioned that all the candidates who have appeared or are appearing in the final year or semester exams, they shall submit final pass results of minimum required qualification by 31st of August. So anyone in the final year and willing to apply for this post should have their result declared by 31st of August. Total of 54 vacancies divided into various categories is also given in the notification. As I have mentioned, the admission is through a computer-based test online. The duration of this computer-based test will be for 3 hours in one sitting, and there will be two papers, paper 1 and paper 2, both of 100 marks. Paper will consist of your general knowledge, GA, reasoning, numerical ability, which mostly has quant topics, and general English, and the paper 2 will consist of your professional knowledge, here legal knowledge, with 100 multiple choice questions in each paper. So a total of 200 questions to be attempted in 3 hours. Each question will carry 1 mark and there is no penalty for wrong answer. So as I have mentioned, no negative marking is there. No marks will be awarded for unattempted questions. A minimum qualifying mark criteria is also given. For general category, minimum 40 marks should be there in each paper. Now what does this mean? There are 54 vacancies. Even if only 20 of the students are able to get 40 marks out of 100 in both the papers, then only 20 of these will be considered for final selection. Anyone scoring less than the minimum marks will not be considered for final selection. Age criteria is also mentioned. The upper age limit is 30 years as on 31st May 2022 for general category and EWS category. There is 3 years relaxation for OBC, 5 years for SC/ST, and in this way, persons with disabled candidates are also having relaxation. Looking at the compensation and pay, the selected candidates will be placed as management trainee in E2 grade in the scale of pay of rupees 50,000 to 1,60,000 at the basic of rupees 50,000 per month during the training period. And on successful and satisfactory completion of 1 year training period and passing the test conducted for the purpose, regularization will be done in E3 grade in the scale of pay of rupees 60,000 to 1,80,000 at the initial basic of rupees 60,000 with 1 probation year if not extended. So there will be 1 year training period, 1 year probation period, and added to that there will be DNS allowance, HRA, perquisites, allowances under cafeteria approach, and other allowances including performance related pay as applicable for the post. There are also benefits such as leave, medical facilities, CMPF, CMPS, gratuity, CIL, contribution pension scheme, etc. The candidates may be posted anywhere in subsidiary companies including coalfield areas. Only candidates willing to serve anywhere in India should apply. There is a bond agreement as well. Appointed candidates are required to serve the company for a minimum period of 60 months. That means 5 years. You have a bond period of 5 years in this company. The candidates will be required to execute a service agreement bond of rupees 3 lakh plus GST as applicable for the same at the time of joining. You can read how to apply for this job from the notification PDF. Last week we also got recruitment of HPCL officer, in which there were 7 vacancies. Again, there was no negative marking in that written exam as well. And in the Coal India, this is management trainee LT. Here we have 54 vacancies. IBPS SO officer exam is also coming soon. So if you have any doubts in any of these exams, you want to appear for this exam, you are not sure about the eligibility criteria, about the exam pattern, about the syllabus, so in the description you will find a registration link for this e-seminar. This is a free e-seminar which will be conducted on Thursday at 8 p.m. Fill the Google form, fill up your queries, join the session and clear all your doubts related to preparation of any of these exams or any other law exam. You can also write your queries to us at hello@iexambee.com. You can call us on the number which is mentioned on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get updated information like this on a regular basis. Thank you.